Hey everyone, this is Kenny. In this video, we're going to show you how to use the alerts feature in Compass. If you want to create a new alert, you'll have to click this button right here, and it will show you three options: wallet activity, feed activity, and floor price. With the wallet activity, you can track any given wallet that you input in this space. You can track by these options by just toggling them on or off. Next up is the channels section. With the channels, you will be able to get the alerts notifications directly to your Discord server or Telegram. You'll also need to create a channel to get the alert notifications. You will see that the first option is the Discord webhook. The webhook is going to help you get the alert notifications directly on your Discord server. If you want to do it with a Discord webhook, you will need to head over to Discord server, and you will have to create a text channel. In this case, I have one already created. You'll have to go to integrations and create a new webhook, and you'll have to copy the webhook URL that is sitting down here. Once you have the URL, you just have to paste it here and create. You can also set up the alert channel by using a Discord DM. In this case, you will just need to head over to our compass.art server, head over to the RoboRoom channel, and you will have to type in /my-id, and this will give you an ID which you will just need to copy and paste it here, and you will be able to create a channel. You can also set up a channel by using Telegram. So if you want to use this, you will just have to go over to Telegram, and you will have to search the following bot: compass_nft_alert_bot. Once you're here, you'll just need to message the bot with /start, and the bot is going to give you a code just like this one. Once you have the code, you will just need to paste it here and create a channel. Also, make sure you add a name to the alert. Feed activity is going to notify you whenever there is new transactions on your wallet feed. You can set this up by creating a channel and naming your alert. The floor price alert is going to help you identify when a collection passes or crosses any specific threshold. Let's use Caillou Kings as an example. Their current floor price is 0.8 Ether, and we want to know when they pass the 1 Ether mark. So we just place 1 or whatever value that you want to know. After that, select the channel and set up a name for the alert and create it. And that's how you set up a new alert. Thank you for watching.